Today let's talk about normalizer transformation in Informatica. Before going that, I just want to give one scenario and the data related to that scenario so that we can understand how normalizer transformation behaves in Informatica. So normalization meaning is creating several different relationships from a single relationship. That is the normal definition of normalization. In Informatica, we do create many different record set from a single record. That's the feature of normalization transformation in Informatica. Let's talk about this. This is the year, month, mobile, the sold mobile amount. This is 2 lakh. Laptop was sold for 2 lakh rupees. Smart tab was sold 1,95,000, and refrigerator was sold in a year 2015 of 50,000 amount. So in the column, it's about a electronic departmental store which sells mobile number, laptop, smart tab, and refrigerator. And in the year of 2015, from January to April, we have the data that mobile sold for this many items and for that much amount, laptop and smart tab and refrigerator, those things were sold. Now we need to create, from this record set, we need to create the target like this one. So year, month, product, amount. So in 2015, month 1, laptop was sold for 2 lakhs, mobile sold of mobile amount for mobile sold sales is 3 lakhs, amount for refrigerator sales is 50,000, smart tab is 1,95,000. This way. So from a single record, we are splitting into 4 different record set. Now business case could be, so this electronic sales departmental store cannot create many more columns like different item. It cannot, because today it is selling 4 different items, tomorrow it can sell 20 different items. So we should not fit into a columnar structure, rather we should fit into a row wise structure. That's the requirement. So we drive this target table so that we can arrange the record set sales amount in the table as per row wise rather than column wise. So this is the requirement for normalization. Now it's time to let me show you how we can design this mapping. This is my Informatica designer. Sorry. I have, before creating the mapping, I have pre-imported the source structure. Let me show you the source structure. Clear all. Open. This is year, month, mobile, laptop, refrigerator, and smart tab and refrigerator. All things are numbered column, and inside Oracle, inside the target, I have created sales TGT table. So TGT table looks like this one. So year, month, product name and amount. Now to resolve this scenario, whatever I have shown you, this scenario, we can have many more ways, different ways. One of the way is using normalizer transformation. So let me create the mapping first. Now drag and drop source m underscore nrm underscore test. I'm giving nrm stands for normalization. Now I create target. I'll drag and drop target. My target is dragged and dropped. Now see here, everything, the product is envarchar 2, but product is envarchar 2, but here everything is double or numeric or something like this. So I need to create the product name as mobile, laptop, smart tab, refrigerator, something like this. So for that I use a expression transformation. exp, I generate the column name, that's why I give the name of expression transformation like exp underscore column name. No problem. Select all the port by using shift, drag and drop. Now I will create 4 different, one for mobile, another for laptop, another for smart tab, and another for refrigerator. 4 different output port to generate the product name. I'll put it as 30. Laptop, I'll just create one o underscore laptop. Let me make it as an output port. Now in the output port, what I'll do, I'll just enclose with the single, because I'm giving the name to the product. Then make the precision as 30, and then this one smart tab. Likewise I create for refrigerator o underscore refrigerator. Again 30, it's an output port, so I just give a name to single quote to that string. So I'll just arrange the column. So mobile output port, laptop output port, smart tab and refrigerator, all output port represent different product name. Apply. Okay. Now I need to convert a single row into multiple row. So here I'll create a normalizer transformation. So this is normalizer transformation. You can go via this create and then choose normalizer transformation here, or else you can choose the symbol over here, select and then click here. Now if I try to do, let's try to drag and drop. Normalizer does not allow it. So inside normalizer I have to create the ports. It says clearly cannot copy a column to this transformation. So here in normalizer I have to create column manually. So I'll create year, month, then mobile, laptop, smart light, refrigerator, this thing, and amount column. So let me open it. I have to go to this tab, normalizer. Here I have to create year, this is number, then month, then product name, product, and it's a string. Now see, there is no date column, only string, number and end string is available here. String, let me pass it 30, and amount is number. That's it. Just I'll apply and OK. Now see, here I created the amount column. That's why I have created amount column in normalizer. So let me open again normalizer. Now product will be repeated 4 times. So it's an occurrence 4. Amount will be 4 products, so 4 occurrence. Amount also could be 4 because 4 product it is. So 4 occurrence I have created. Now see, the normalizer structure also changes automatically. So now we should drag and drop first year and month, year, then month, then I'll drag and drop this many columns, product in, so it is a product name, so I'll select and drag and drop all together. Now amount in 1 should be mobile. So in this column mobile value comes, the amount comes basically from the source. So inside the mobile column, so what the amount mobile is sold, it's coming. Under the laptop column, what's the amount of laptop sold, it is available. So same ways I have to, into the amount field I have to drag and drop all things, mobile, laptop, refrigerator, this amount. Now what happens, everything is created. Now let me see the output port. Output port is year, month, product and amount, this 4, along with these 3 columns. I'll talk later about these 3 columns. So let's connect. Now we have connected all the output port and I just save it. It is saved. Now we have to create the workflow. So I'll just create the workflow by deleting this one. So this is the session I'm dragging and dropping. So what is mine? So NRM m_NRM test. This is the mapping name, and these mapping names are dictionary ordered. That's why it is coming inside middle, sometimes first, sometimes last. You have to search as per the dictionary words. Now I have to link it. It is linked. Then I have to configure the session. Configuration means I have to sales report. Here I have to change the connection string. Here also target connection string I have to change. Along with that, I have to make as normal, and I'll just delete and update operation. I don't need it, and truncate target table so that we can in different run we can see our result set. So our session is also configured. Now I just save the session. So now I have connected to database. So in sales source table we have these many amounts and these many sold item, and in target table we don't have any rows. So now let's run the workflow. So workflow is running. So my workflow is successful. Now meanwhile I have opened the workflow monitor, and this is the source has 4 rows from January to April, and target it generated 16 rows. So let's look about the data now. Select start from sales_txt. So this many product has been loaded. So it is a row to column wise. Just let's again discuss or talk about the normalizer transformation. So normalizer means creating different relationship, means different tables from a single table. It's called normalization, or splitting a single relation into different relationship. Relationship always stands for a table. In RDBMS, if there is no table, then we cannot define a relation. Now in normalizer, we create a single row into multiple row. Rather, we should say split a row into multiple row. Informatica normalizer creates different number of rows as per from the input rows. So wherever we want to convert column to row, then we can use normalizer transformation depending upon the situation. Apart from that, normalizer transformation is used to parse the COBOL file. When we drag and drop COBOL source, then automatically normalizer is created. Now inside the normalizer transformation, what happens? There are 3 additional port comes: GK product ID, GCD product, and GCID amount. So GK means generated key. So it will be value. We have 4. So one row has 4 products. So total 16 number of rows. So GK always contains 1 to 16 or number of occurrence. GCD ID product varies, GCID product varies 1 to 4. Same way GCID amount also varies 1 to 4. We don't use for normal purpose GK product ID, GCID product, GCID amount. When we parse hierarchy document like COBOL document, Then we use GK product, GCID product and GCID amount. There we can use those columns for reference or joining purpose or some other thing. So traditionally, normally we don't use, but to parse the COBOL, I don't have any COBOL source to show you how to use those columns. So better be fixed with this type of only this many. So I just open a normalizer transformation once again. So in the normalizer port, you have to create the column name and its occurrence. So year and month will be created once, and same value will be passed to the year and month value will pass to different rows with varying product and amount. Here also, if you check the label, we can create level column level wise column structure also. So those things are common in COBOL parsing. So this is the end of the normalizer transformation. So if you have any question, then please don't hesitate to shoot me mail.